In our journey so far, it has been partly inspired by Jonathan Livingston Seagull, where we wanted to explore, adventure, excel, rise, and provide leadership in whatever we do. Bry-Air has entered into the 50th year of its existence. This journey began in Sunbury, Ohio in 1964 by a gentleman called Art Harms. We were established in India in 1981, and in 2006, Bry-Air Asia acquired globally the Bry-Air name and brand. It's been an interesting journey, and proudly today we have subsidiaries in China, Malaysia, Brazil, Switzerland, and we are setting up this month a subsidiary in Nigeria. We are directly on the ground in many other countries with our own office in Philippines and Dubai, South Africa, in Japan, and many other locations.
At Bry-Air, the journey of innovative technology has evolved through the decades. And the journey continues.
We look at everything in terms of know why. And in trying to understand know why, we have to innovate. We have had to go through setting up a lot of fundamental research, test loops for testing, and understanding everything in its fundamental form so that we know no less than what our counterpart would know anywhere in the world. In the last 1 month, we have filed 3 patents. One of them is eco beams, chill beams, which are pretty evolved all over the world, where people thought there was nothing new. Yet we've done some very good fundamental work. Let's look at the industry economy in an optimistic way. We need to inspire more people to innovate. We have to inspire people at the collegiate level to enter this industry as bright people, of doing a lot from Asia, for our HVAC industry.